Ako din, tara na.
Yes. Well, this is really amazing. You can see here, there's a secret door here for so that's lovely. It's a secret basket here.
So Oswar is where they put the bones of the dead people.
This is guys inside the tomb of Lazarus. This is it. This is inside the tomb of Lazarus, guys. Commemorate this more than 2,000 years ago. This place is something unbelievable. This is a secret passage here. The secret doors that they will close.
Yeah.
Amazing.
Lazarus.
Amazing, guys.
Again.
Lazarus Labas.
Okay.
It's awesome. This is really unbelievable. This is amazing, guys. Yeah, guys, if you notice here, the steps. This is the ancient door, ancient passage going down to the chapel. So, this is some of the story here, guys, for the opportunity to come to visit this place. Amazing. Wonderful. Wonderful. Lovely. Amazing, guys. Amazing. That's the tomb of Lazarus here in Bethany. Wow, amazing. Lazarus.
On the Lazarus.
Yeah.
Lazarus.